Welcome to Walk Another Mile. Today we take you on a breathtaking journey through Ooty, the Queen of Hills. A land where misty mountains, vibrant gardens and breathtaking viewpoints come together to create an unforgettable experience. In this video, we'll explore some of the best sightseeing spots in Ooty, giving you essential travel details, fun facts and personal experiences. Stay till the end as we take you through the beauty of this hill station like never before. From lush green gardens to the highest peak of the Nilgiris, Ooty is full of wonders. First, we explore the mesmerizing Botanical garden, then climb up to Doddabetta Peak and stroll through the colorful rose garden. Next, we head to Ooty Lake and the boat house, where we enjoy a peaceful boating experience amidst stunning views. Afterward, we hop onto the mini toy train, taking a delightful ride around the lake, offering a fun and scenic way to explore the area. Finally, we embark on a journey aboard the heritage Nilgiri Mountain Railway, traveling from Ooty to Kunur on the iconic Ooty toy train. Our first stop is the highest point in Ooty, Doddabetta Peak. As you approach, you'll find vibrant local markets and food stalls offering piping hot chai, roasted corn, and local handicrafts. The aroma of fresh snacks is simply irresistible. The entry ticket here costs just 10 rupees per person, and if you're carrying a camera, there's a small fee of 15 rupees. Walking ahead, we reach the telescope house, a perfect spot to get panoramic views of the Nilgiris. Inside, the telescopes offer a bird's eye view of Ooty town. From here, you can see lush valleys, distant tea plantations, and the town's colonial architecture nestled in the hills. It's a mesmerizing sight. Finally, we reach the summit, standing at 8,650 feet. The cool breeze, the endless mountains, and the clouds floating just above make this a moment to cherish. If you love photography, this is a dream spot. Spend some time here, soaking in the beauty and capturing unforgettable memories. Next, we visit the tea factory and museum, located near Eagles Dare Ooty. As you step inside, the rich aroma of tea leaves fills the air, a true paradise for tea lovers. The museum here tells the fascinating story of tea, from its origins in China to how it became a staple in India. The Nilgiris are known for their aromatic tea, and this place beautifully showcases its journey over the centuries. The exhibits display ancient tea processing techniques, old brewing equipment, and some fascinating historical anecdotes. Moving ahead, we step into the tea factory. Here you can see how fresh green tea leaves are processed, from rolling and cutting to drying and packaging. The rhythmic sound of machines and the sight of fresh tea being prepared is quite fascinating. You can even feel the warmth of freshly processed tea leaves as workers skillfully handle them. In the final stages, tea is sorted based on quality and packed for distribution. And of course, don't forget to grab a hot cup of freshly brewed Nilgiri tea before leaving. It's simply refreshing. There's also a small shop where you can buy locally grown tea varieties, perfect for taking a piece of Ooty home with you. Our next destination is the famous Government Botanical Garden, located right in the heart of Ooty. You can easily reach here by auto rickshaw, cab, or even a leisurely walk from the main town. Entry here costs 50 rupees for adults and 30 rupees for children. An absolute bargain for what awaits inside. Walking in, the lush greenery immediately soothes your senses. The garden also has old cannons and artifacts, adding a touch of history to the beauty. With every step, you're surrounded by well-manicured lawns, vibrant flower beds, and towering trees that provide a peaceful retreat. The fern house is home to exotic ferns from around the world. The misty climate of Ooty makes it a perfect place for these rare plants to thrive. Now, the highlight, the glass house. This greenhouse shelters an incredible variety of plants, from delicate orchids and bonsai trees to vibrant cacti and rare succulents. Inside, you'll find exotic plants from different parts of the world, all thriving in this controlled environment. The bright blooms and carefully nurtured greenery make it a paradise for nature lovers. The play of natural light filtering through the glass panels enhances the vivid colors of the flowers, making it a breathtaking sight. This is also a great place for photography. Whether you're capturing the delicate petals of an orchid or the structured beauty of a bonsai tree, every corner of the glass house is visually stunning. Take your time here. Read the nameplates of the unique plants and immerse yourself in the fascinating world of botany. Inside, the glass house boasts a stunning collection of orchids in every color imaginable, from deep purples to bright pinks, and a wide range of rare succulents that add texture to the space. The bonsais are meticulously cared for, displaying perfect miniature trees in various shapes. The interplay of shadows, light, and vibrant foliage gives the entire structure an almost magical feel, making it a photographer's dream. As we walk further, we find beautifully arranged flower beds, the intricate Japanese garden, a fascinating cactus garden, and even a floral representation of India's map. Every corner here is picture perfect. The garden changes colors with the seasons, making it a unique experience every time you visit. Next, we visit the enchanting Government Rose Garden. Spread across multiple terraces, This garden boasts over 20,000 varieties of roses, making it one of the largest rose collections in India. From deep red to rare blue and even green roses, the colors here are mesmerizing. Entry here costs just 30 rupees per person. Walking through the garden, the sweet fragrance of roses fills the air, and every turn reveals a new shade of beauty. Some roses here are so unique that they are found in very few places in the world. It's the perfect place for a quiet stroll, a romantic moment, or just some time to reflect amidst nature's beauty. We are at the stunning Ooty Lake, also known as the Ooty Boat House. This place is packed with fun activities, beautiful views, and a serene boating experience. The location is easily accessible, just a short drive from Ooty town, making it a must-visit spot. Now we move through the entrance into the main lake area. Here we find the boating ticket counter where you can choose from various boating options. The prices for paddle boats, rowboats, and motorboats vary. Boating here is an absolute must to experience the lake at its best. Walking along the lake, we are treated to cinematic views of the glistening waters and lush greenery. The lake, surrounded by the Nilgiri Hills, offers a picture-perfect setting. Boats floating gracefully add to the charm, making this a paradise for nature lovers and photographers alike. And here we go. The boating experience is nothing short of magical. With cool breezes, calm waters, and scenic landscapes all around, this 45-minute journey feels truly refreshing. After a fantastic boating experience, we explore more of the campus and check out the fun rides available here. From carousels to thrilling amusement rides, there's plenty to keep kids and families entertained. Next up, we dive into more adventurous activities like paintball and shooting. These exciting games add a fun twist to your visit, making Ooty Lake more than just a scenic spot. And now, one of the unique attractions here, the mini toy train. This ride takes you along the lake, offering a different perspective of this picturesque location. Ticket prices are 60 rupees for adults and 40 rupees for children, making it an affordable and enjoyable experience for all. As we ride through the lush surroundings, the rhythmic chug of the train adds a nostalgic charm, making this a must-try activity for visitors of all ages. Be sure to check out our separate video for a detailed exploration of Ooty Lake and all the experiences it offers. We embark on a journey aboard the iconic Nilgiri Mountain Railway, traveling from Ooty to Coonoor. This heritage train ride is a must experience, offering breathtaking views of the Nilgiri Hills. Stay with us as we explore this incredible journey. Our journey begins at the Ooty railway station, located in the heart of Udagamandala, Tamil Nadu. Established in 1908, this station is part of the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The railway was built during British rule and remains an engineering marvel, connecting the lush hills of Ooty with the valleys below. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway operates 5 daily trains between Ooty and Coonoor. The train departs from Ooty at 9:15 am, 12:15 pm, 2 pm and 5:30 pm. Ticket prices are 150 rupees for second class and 350 rupees for first class. Tickets can be booked through the IRCTC website or directly at the station. Let's take a closer look at this historic train. The coaches are beautifully designed with large windows, allowing passengers to soak in the breathtaking views. Inside, the wooden benches and vintage interiors reflect the old world charm. Whether you're in first class or second class, the views remain spectacular. It's not just a train ride, it's a journey back in time. As the train whistle blows, our journey officially begins. Leaving behind the bustling town of Ooty, we slowly make our way into the lush Nilgiri Hills. One of the most exciting parts of this journey is passing through multiple tunnels. For a moment, we are in complete darkness, only to emerge into breathtaking landscapes seconds later. It adds a sense of adventure and mystery to the ride. The real magic of this journey begins as we leave Ooty behind and venture deeper into the Nilgiri Hills. The toy train moves at a leisurely pace, allowing us to soak in the breathtaking landscapes. Lush tea plantations stretch endlessly. After 1 hour and 10 minutes, we arrive at Kunur railway station. With its colonial-era architecture, red brick structures and calm atmosphere, Kunur station feels like a step back in time. That wraps up our Ooty sightseeing journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Walk Another Mile for more travel adventures. Let us know in the comments which spot you'd love to visit the most. Until next time, keep exploring.